Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Virgo, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay change is coming. Ayan. So, maraming pagbabago ang maaring dadating sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon at isang magandang pagbabago ito. This could be a life changer na siguro positibo, for sure positibong pagbabago ito. Napakaganda na magiging resulta nito sa buhay ninyo. Sabi dito, I am here to guide you through this exciting transformation. This is a time of joyous opportunities. Yan ang sabi sa inyo ni Archangel Michael. So, trust the guidance you're receiving. Ayan, merong mga pakinggan ninyo yung gut instinct. Kanina ko pa naririnig gut instinct. Ayan, so pakinggan ninyo ang inyong gut instinct, ano? Kasi dyan pumapasok din ang guidance sa inyo ng universe, no? You're being guided, you're being sent intuitive messages, siguro symbols, synchronicities din, ano? At para gabayan ka kung ano ang nararapat mong gawin, no? Where you are heading. At sabi din dito sa card, Archangel Uriel has blessed you with a brilliant epiphany. Ayan. So, hindi lang ang universe, no? Hindi lang ang Panginoon na nagpapadala sa inyo ng guidance, but also Archangel Uriel is blessing you with brilliant epiphany. Sabi din ni Archangel Michael, I am also present, no, to clear away your worries so you can trust your divine guidance. Ayan. So, tatanggalin din ni Archangel Michael na lahat ng inyong pag-aalala at mga takot, no, sa puso ninyo para nang sa gayon marinig ninyo at pagtiwalaan ninyo ang mga divine guidance na dumadating sa buhay nyo. Don't give up on love, Virgo. Kung meron kayong relationship ngayon at siguro merong rough patch na pinagdadaanan kayo with your person, don't give up. Okay? Don't give up kasi may pag-asa pa, no? May pag-asa pang maayos 'yan at may pag-asa pa kayong magsimulang muli. Kumbaga, sabi dito, a relationship you cherish can be healed. So there is a promise, 'di ba, na it can be healed. Allow me to clear the way for forgiveness so that love can thrive again. Yan ang promise sa inyo ni Archangel Michael. Payagan mo lang siya, no, na tulungan kang i-clear ang way para sa pagpapatawad, no? And gagawin niya ang lahat para matulungan ka na mabuhay muli ang pag-ibig sa puso ninyo so that magkaayos kayo. Okay? Get your power back. Ayan. So, Virgo, maaring ano na to, freedom, no? Ang i-reclaim ninyo dito, maaring dati hindi kayo nakakapag-desisyon on your own, no? Maaring ang ibang tao ang nagdedesisyon para sa'yo. Pero ngayon, babawiin mo na ang inyong kapangyarihan over yourself. Sabi dito, you have forgotten who you are. You are a child of the divine, so take back your power. Alright? So, maglalakas ng loob na kayo sa ngayon, no? Nakunin ninyo muli ang kapangyarihan over yourself. Wow! Napakaganda. Let's claim this, Virgo. Your prayers are being answered. Sinasagot na, narinig na ng Panginoon ang inyong mga dasal. Yan. Your prayers are being received by the divine. Answers will come soon, no? Bibigyan na kayo ng kasagutan sa inyong mga dasal, although perhaps in forms you didn't expect. It may not come in the exact form, no? Very specific. Siguro ang dasal ninyo, hindi yun dadating, no? Na maaring hindi dumating in exact form, no? Kung ano man ang pinagdadasal ninyo dito, but, expect that it is what is best for you. Kasi, yun naman ang laging binibigay sa atin ng Divine Universe kung anong makakabuti at kung anong best para sa atin. So, someone new is coming. Ayan, so may bagong relationship na parating. Maaring, kung single pa kayo, maaring yung bagong relationship na yan is love and romantic relationship, no? Possible din na bagong kaibigan, possible din na, bagong siguro, bagong level ng inyong relationship, possible din yan. An important new relationship is on the horizon, so open your mind and heart so that happiness can enter your life. Ayan, so may bagong union, yan ang napipick up ko dito for some of you. Angel number 1221, there is change talaga na paparating. But, sa pagbabagong ito na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, you will be optimistic about it. No? You will be feeling joyful about it. Maaring ang communication dito is a very important ingredient, no? Para sa ikakaganda ng sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon. There could be messages from the divine coming your way. There could be good news coming your way. Then sa buhay ninyo from other people, no? So, good luck. Work with what you have and it will get you places. Ayan, count your blessings and acknowledge your dear ones. You will find inspiration and figure out a way forward. You might also be getting some good news soon. Napakaganda naman. Ano kayang good news na yan? Hindi ba, Virgo? Kayo lang ang tanging makakaalam niyan kung anong good news na yan pagdating ng balitang yan. We have angel number 2002. Ayan, sabi dito, you have more control over your life than you realize. Ayan, so parang kino-confirm niya yung get your power back energy. Learn and execute what interests you. Turn things around. It gets better with time. There are plenty of friends to make, so definitely you're making new friends. So chill out, have fun, and open up. Go outside, okay? Kasi maaaring wala na kayong oras or panahon sa pagsusocialize. Kailangan din ninyo yan sa buhay, no? To balance out your life. 2020, compassion. Ayan, Virgo. Naturally, you are a very compassionate person. Kaya siguro ngayon, once again, you're going to display your compassion sa ngayon. Ano? Maaring meron mga tao ditong hihingi ng tulong sa'yo, hihingi ng inyong support in any form. Sabi dito sa card, it is a confirmation that your assumptions and beliefs are correct. But it's also an encouragement to use your talents and gifts because they will benefit the world in your pocket. Ayan. So, maaring yung mga talents ninyo or gifts ninyo sa ngayon, yun ang kailangan ninyong gamitin as you carry out your life purpose or your mission sa buhay, no? Para makatulong, makapagsilbi sa maraming tao. And at the same time, habang ginagawa ninyo yan, that could be also a source of your income, no? So, be of service to others. Your potential is enormous. Ayan. So, be of service to others. Yan talaga ang mission ninyo. Magsilbi kayo sa mundo, tulungan ninyo ang mundo mag-heal, tulungan ninyo mga taong ma-inspire, tulungan ninyo ang mga tao na ma-motivate, no, na gumawa ng kung ano pa ang ikakabuti para sa sarili nila. So, good luck, Virgo. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.